Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize sales tax audit trail exports in TaxJar, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize sales tax audit trail exports in TaxJar, start by logging into your TaxJar account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your account settings. Locate the Integrations or Connections section on the left sidebar. Select the platform for which you want to authorize the audit trail export. Follow the prompts to connect your e-commerce platform to TaxJar. Once the connection is established, review the permissions required for the integration. Ensure that the necessary permissions are granted for data access. Next, go to the Reports section in TaxJar. Look for the Sales Tax Audit Trail Report option in the menu. Select the relevant date range for which you want to export the audit trail. Customize any filters to narrow down the data as needed. After setting your parameters, click the Export button. Choose your preferred file format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your selections and proceed to complete the export process. Once the export is processed, download the file to your device. Review the exported data for accuracy and completeness. If you need to make any adjustments, return to the report settings and modify the filters. Repeat the export process as necessary for different periods or platforms. Always ensure to follow your local compliance regulations regarding sales tax reporting. This will help ensure that your audit trail exports are accurate and thorough. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.